Hey guys, in this video, I just wanted to show you some of these water alarm sensors that I picked up from Amazon. And the reason why I bought these was because I do have a lot of aquariums in my apartment. As well, I wanted to make sure that if I had a flood or a leak or anything around my kitchen area or the bathroom or my washing machine, I wanted to be notified of it and then put a stop to it right away before it got any worse. So these are from a company called Fosmon, and it comes in a 3-pack. I think I paid like $20 for this, and they also include the batteries as well. So it's a very good value, especially when you think about it. It comes to less than about $6-7 each, with included free shipping, of course, if you have Prime membership. These water alarms are very easy to install because there are actually no wires for you to hook up to. They run off battery power, and it's just a matter of placing them strategically near the areas where there could potentially be a leak, like under your sink, next to your toilet, next to your washer and dryer, your boiler room, etc. So there's a lot of practical applications for this. I'm going to be putting some of these behind my aquarium, and the various areas as well that I mentioned before. I'm just going to go do a really quick unboxing for this item here. So right off the bat, if I can get this to focus here. So in the box, you will get 3 water sensing alarms, and it does come, like I mentioned, with 3 9-volt batteries and 1 manual, which you'll probably never read. But anyways, I'm going to quickly open this up to show you what I have. I've already opened one of these up to test out, and I will show you how they work later on, but essentially that's what they look like. They look like a little box with 2 sensors on the bottom. So that's the speaker at the top there, and here are the water sensors, and you basically place it on the floor or anywhere you want, and then they will start triggering the alarm if there's any water that connects these 2 points. One thing to note is that the water sensors that are at the bottom of the device is detachable, and you can unravel the long cable, and you can place the contact points anywhere you want so that you can have it sense detect water. So you can mount the unit itself to a wall or something like that. They do come with some screws and stuff, but I don't think that's a little bit overkill. So maybe just double-sided tape, like some 3M command strips or something, should be able to let you affix it to the wall without having to drill or anything. So this is actually a very cool feature. If you don't want the actual device on the ground, you can mount it on a wall and then have the contact sensors placed somewhere else because of the longer cable that it is attached to. So here's a new one right out of the package, and I'm going to show you how it comes. So when you open the battery cover on the back, you will see a battery. It hasn't been connected yet, and you can see that there's some shrink wrapping on it. So make sure you remove the shrink wrapping and plug it up to the battery connector on the back before you can start using it. So this is how I tested it out. I put it in my sink, and then I turned on the tap to simulate a flood. And quickly you'll hear this really loud beeping noise. Now I'm going to test it with a simple damp towel. So you can see that it doesn't have to be like a flood or anything. Just a simple damp towel will also trigger the alarm. So it doesn't have to get too wet, just like a simple leak. As long as it connects the 2 contact points, it should also beep. I think having these water alarms are a very good idea, especially when you live in an apartment and you can potentially, do some damage to your neighbors below you or beside you. And of course, that would mean that your insurance premiums go up and you have to pay a deductible. So it's always nice to be proactive about it, especially when you have like a lot of aquariums throughout your apartment, like I do. You also have to worry about the bathroom, the kitchen, the washing machines, etc. It's nice to have this water alarm just to give you that peace of mind so you can sleep better at night. Hopefully these things never have to go off, but it's nice to have that there just in case. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.